Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how step by step on how you can link your Truist bank account and send funds to Cash App. The process is really simple. Just follow the steps on the screen. First, open your Cash App website and click on your profile icon and select linked banks. And then to transfer money, you will need Cash App routing and account numbers. Then go to the banking and select direct deposit and copy these details as we will use them in Truist next. Then go to your Truist online banking account, navigate to transfers and payments and look for the option to add an external account. Then paste the Cash App account for and routing numbers you copied earlier and follow the prompts to verify and save the account. Once your Cash App account is linked, go back to the transfers and payments and select your Truist account as the sender and Cash App as the recipient. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transfer. And that's all there is to it. Your funds should arrive in Cash App in a few business days, and if you need an instant transfer, make sure to use Truist debit card instead. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.